Welcome to Driven USA, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. And today we're diving into the powerhouse of trucks, the 2025 Ford Shelby F-150. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates. Now let's get into what makes this truck a true beast on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Shelby F-150 is equipped with a high-performance V8 engine, delivering immense horsepower and torque for superior power and acceleration. Its impressive displacement ensures that whether you're towing, hauling, or hitting the open road, you'll have the strength to tackle any challenge. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission with multiple gears, this truck offers smooth shifting and optimal power distribution, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. With all-wheel drive capabilities, the Shelby F-150 provides excellent traction, making it suitable for all terrains and weather conditions. Step inside and you'll find a refined interior that combines rugged durability with premium comfort. The seating capacity ensures ample space for passengers, while high-quality materials such as leather and suede create a luxurious atmosphere. Heated and cooled seats add another level of comfort, perfect for any season. The dashboard features an advanced infotainment system, complete with a high-resolution touchscreen, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. On the exterior, the 2025 Ford Shelby F-150 stands out with its bold and aggressive design. The signature Shelby grille, aerodynamic body lines, and exclusive badging make it instantly recognizable. The truck's dimensions provide a commanding road presence, while its extended wheelbase enhances stability and ride quality. Performance-oriented suspension and handling features, including sport-tuned shocks and an independent suspension system, contribute to a smoother and more controlled driving experience. Braking power is just as impressive, with high-performance disc brakes that offer superior stopping power. Advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control ensure maximum protection for you and your passengers. These safety enhancements, combined with driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, make the Shelby F-150 as smart as it is powerful. Luxury meets performance with additional features like premium leather upholstery, chrome accents, and a panoramic sunroof, elevating the driving experience. Technology upgrades include a top-tier audio system, wireless charging, and a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. For those who love customization, special edition trim packages and exclusive Shelby performance upgrades allow you to tailor the truck to your personal style and needs. The 2025 Ford Shelby F-150 isn't just about raw power, it's about delivering a next-level driving experience. With cutting-edge technology, refined comfort, and unmatched performance, it's a truck designed for those who demand the best. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Stay tuned to Driven USA for more exciting car reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Shelby F-150. See you in the next video.